Understanding Child Maintenance and School Fee Dispute. Hi, welcome back to HDT Edutainment Hub, where learning meets fun. In today's video, we re-diving into a real and serious issue: child maintenance and school fee responsibilities after separation or divorce, especially in Papua New Guinea. What is child maintenance? Child maintenance is the legal and financial responsibility of parents to support their children after a relationship ends. In most cases, the court will issue an order, usually requiring one parent to pay a set amount regularly to help with the child's living, education, and medical costs. What happens when one parent pays more? That parent pays over 60% of school fees, but the other parent fails to follow through or reports otherwise. What happens next? Let us say the court orders one parent to pay K300 fortnightly and also cover 100% of school and medical expenses. Common disputes. This is where many disputes arise. Sometimes one parent may claim the other hasn't paid, even when they have. If the court accepts this without checking receipts or bank records, a second unfair order might be made. What you should do? If you're in this situation, here's what you should do. Keep records, receipts, bank statements, school confirmations. Stay calm. Never respond emotionally in court. File a formal complaint if you're wrongly accused. If one parent carries 100% of the burden and still gets penalized unfairly, that's not justice. Respect court processes. Always go through proper channels. PNG law and fairness. In Papua New Guinea, the law supports what's in the best interest of the child. That includes being honest about financial contributions, your rights and responsibility. If you're doing your part, don't stay silent. Educate yourself, protect your rights, and always put your kids first. As a parent, your job is to support your children, but you also have the right to speak up when things are not fair. Subscribe for more real-life learning with HDT Edutainment Hub.